Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. So if you have come first time in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the like button for this video, because in this video I will discuss two job notification from two IT company. Okay, so let's jump into this video. Don't waste our time, and let's start this video and watch the video till end, because in this video I will give the detailed description about how to apply for this two IT sector. So these two jobs is only for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA batch. So let's start. So you can see first notification have come from Mount Blue. Mount Blue off campus drive hiring freshers for software engineer trainee, and the qualification is BE, BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA. So those can apply for this job. So you know this company, Mount Blue is a good company, good IT sector company. They are hiring for the profile of software engineer trainee, and the CTC is quite good, 3.62, you mean 3,62,000. so it's a huge amount, and the work location is also very familiar with you also, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, these three locations. And the experience needed is only freshers can apply for this job. Last date is very near, Tuesday 22nd September, and drive date will be Thursday 24th September. So it's very near, nearly 5 to 6 days are present in your hand. So eligibility must be BE, BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA from any batch. The company is a premium software development company. Candidate must have programming experience, at least one of the following language: C, C++, JavaScript, Java, Python, PHP or Ruby. Okay, selected candidates will go through an extensive 12-week of training program. Successfully completing the requirements of the program will be offered the role of the software development engineer, because they are hiring as a trainee. Okay, so your responsibility will be develop, testing, compiling, debugging and deploying software. You need to have developed web and mobile application using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, support software during production and provide hot fixes. Job requirement is only you need to have a strong programming background, because there will be one programming round in Mount Blue. I have also given this job application and I have filled this job application in previous year, so I have faced this thing. And you have to have good analytical problem skill and self-motivated with ability to work. If you are interested, then just you need to click here. It will be redirecting to the career page of Mount Blue. I will give the application link in my description of this video. You will find it from there and apply for this job. And remember one thing, the last date is 22nd September. I am telling once again, and the drive date is 24th September. So you just need to go through this application details once again if you think so. And I think you all are new candidates. Okay, and one more thing, Mount Blue is recruiting through Elitmus test. You know, I think this about Elitmus test, because it is a good platform, and it is like MCAT test. Here will be also quant part there, coordinative ability part there, logical reasoning part there, English comprehension there, and also one coding test will be there. So if you have one account with Elitmus, then you just need to log in. If you don't have your account, then you just need to register in the Elitmus website, and it will be redirecting you to the Elitmus register page. So you will give your information here, just your password and your username, and you need to confirm your username. Then I need to click on the I am not a robot, then I need to register. Okay, so you can also sign up using Google. Okay, that is not a problem. If you have Google account, then you can also sign up with your Google account. So this the thing you need to apply in this manner. After creating your account in the Elitmus, then you will be able to apply for the Mount Blue job profile. Okay, so next information is about the NCR Corporation of Campus Drive. So they are hiring freshers for software engineer position, and here only BE and BTech can apply for this job. You can see BE and BTech is needed for this job, and nearly 34,000 employees are in this company. Nearly in 160 plus countries they have offices. So it's a quite good company, I will say, and their headquarters is in Atlanta. So batch eligible, you can see 2021. So it is clear that final year can apply for this job. You can see total number of posts is 300, experience needed is freshers, and you can see the CTC is quite good, 7 LPA. I mean to say 7 lakh per annum. You imagine that. So your work location will be Hyderabad, and basic qualification they are asking the students must have completing their BTech or MBE in May or June in the coming 2021 batch. Students in engineering discipline would be any batch who has a passion for coding, obviously, because they are hiring for software engineer position. Excellent knowledge of computer science fundamentals, OOPS concept of object oriented design patterns, good software and troubleshooting skills, ability to understand business and technical requirements, experience with several following modern technologies like Java, C++, C# or .NET. So NCR is looking to hire passionate software engineer with excellent coding skills, and you have to have knowledge of data structures and algorithms to work in this dynamic team in Hyderabad. Okay, so the shortlisted candidate will go through the interview process for the position with NCR. All selected candidates should go through mandatory internship from January 2021 to June 2021. So you will get an internship opportunity in this company from January 2021. It is mean that when you are in the final semester, you can work in this company as an intern. Then full-time employment will begin from July 2021. Apply only if you are available for this internship program. Okay, eligibility criteria I have already mentioned. 2021 batch can apply. Your skills must be have data structures, algorithm, OOPS concept and problem solving skills. Your challenge format will be 2 programming questions of C++, Java and C#, 10 MCQs on data structures, algorithm. So these 2 challenges you will face in the examination process. Registration link is open from 2nd October and last date is 4th October. I will give the link here, and just go through this application once again. It will redirect to the career website. Just go through once again. They will hire through the HackerEarth platform, because in that platform they will take the test, that 2 coding challenges. So just as of now you can register with your first name, last name, email address, password. Then you can apply for this job on 2nd October. Last date is 4th October. So that is, my friend, that is the notification for today. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and please like my channel and like this video. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video. Goodbye. Take care.